So the other day I came home to find this note left on our bathroom door, and I considered that to be a challenge. I am a musician, a pastor, and a marriage and family therapist. One of the things I'm not good at is tackling handyman jobs. So we're having troubles with our toilet, and the trouble is that the water is not filling up the tank anymore. I currently have the water turned off. I at least knew how to do that with the valve down there. So currently I'll turn the water on so you can see what the problem is. Now the water is turned on, and you can see there's water dribbling in, but it is not filling up the bowl. So I shut off the water. Which then stops it just kind of dribbling in. And it went down to Ace Hardware because they have the helpful hardware man there. And I was prepared to buy a whole new replacement unit for this toilet. What I mean by that is I was going to get a new one of those, the whole little tower thing. I had that in my hand, and I asked the Ace Hardware guy, do I have the right thing? And I showed him my video. And the Ace man there said, you can do that, but that's a bigger job. Actually, all you need is one of these little valves, because what's happened is that there's probably debris and it's blocking it, not allowing it to flush through. So if you get one of these, you'll be able to do a repair on your toilet in like a minute. So here's hoping that that works. But with the water turned off, he told me that what I need to do is grab this unit, raise it up to a 90 degree, and twist it. And then the gasket that's right there is probably what needs to be replaced. Now he did suggest that I put a cup over that to flush out any other debris that might be there. So let's do that next. So I've got a little cup I'm going to put over this so that water doesn't splash out everywhere. I'm going to take out that hose a little bit, just give me a little bit more working room. And put that over. And I'm going to turn on the water while I hold this down. And make sure I flushed out all of the potential debris there. So take that cup away. And now I'm going to take my little unit here and replace that gasket. So I'm going to take my little gasket here, take that out of the package. And he suggested this would take about a minute and a half. And here's the replacement gasket. It was in that kind of a down position. So now I want to take my unit here, pop this guy off, just like so. And that little pin apparently is where it goes back, the new one goes back on. So you can see the one I'm replacing and the new one I'm going to put on. And I'll put it right there where that little pin is. Put it right there. You see the little pin is kind of sticking out. So setting it back in, putting it on, and then get it to slide on top, 90 degree angle, and twist, and putting the hose back in its location. And let's see if the magic works. Go. We have water running through the hose and filling up the toilet. And that took me about a minute and a half to 2 minutes to make all that happen. And that, in total, cost me exactly $5.43. Thank you, Ace Hardware of Riverside. So, challenge accepted and defeated. Just call me Handyman Tom.